Hey guys, welcome again. Martin Unix here, and I'm gonna show you a quick style on these temporary dreadlocks that we have just done the grafting. So by doing so, guys, I'm going to show you on how to do double barrel twist with a braided crown. So welcome, guys. So this is the way to go about it, guys. We are going to separate our strands into two sections, just like that. Then I'm gonna start with this side. That way, guys, we're just going to, it's a quick style, guys, for beginners. That you need complicated style, guys, will be coming on your way. It's the way to go. So this is how you do the barrel twist, guys. So you make sure the gapping is quite attractive. The way you are laying down the strands, you can see how the angle I'm taking. See this one. That way, guys. That way. If you are new here, guys, on my channel, kindly subscribe, like my work, leave a comment, and stay locked for more tutorials to come. You can as well, guys, share on your platforms just to show love. This is a quick style, guys, for beginners. You can have a look at how our barrel is taking shape. That way, guys, up to the far end, that is the forefront. That way. Then that's how you secure the end, like that, guys. That way. We are done with one side. Now let's do the other side together as well. See, it's the way to go about it, guys. You just take note of how you match the strands at the base, so that you can bring that uniformity, the strands are matching, and bring out some rhythm that can give your style a touch of, touch of style. That is. I'm already loving it, guys. Now we are through with the 2 barrel lines, guys. That's how our style looks like. Now we are going to form the braided crown. Now this is how to go about it, guys. Remember, we have some shorter strands and longer ones, so we are just going to find a way on how we can disguise the shorter ones. By doing so, guys, let's just start by doing the braid, just like this, guys. I'm going to section, we are going to part the strands into 3 sections, that way, guys, that way. Then I'm gonna make the braid that way, guys, that way. Remember, we have shorter strands. Some strands are shorter and others are long, but let this not stop you from going. That is, guys, just move to the hand like that. Then you secure the hand. Like that, guys. Just secure the hand using yarn, like that. Now, let's do the other section, guys, before I come back and show you on how I will manage the shorter strands which I'm just protruding from the braid, that is. So now, guys, I'm going to use crochet needle to tuck in the shorter strands which are left, which have just been left. Okay? Just like that, guys. We need to disguise them. That way. Then we do the same on the other section. Now this is the way to go about it, guys. We just intertwine the 2 sections together, just that way, guys. Very simple. That way. Let's start with this section just for the sake of our beginners. Try and pull it inside here through those strands just next to the forend. That way. You see? That's our first section. Now, the other section will come a little bit underneath the first one, just like this. And we're going to try and tuck in the tip. And that's our crown, guys. Let's just try and mold it in position just to manage our look so that it can serve for quite a longer time. I'm gonna use yarn, guys, to secure this, and guess what? My yarn is black and my hair is blondish, so I have to be extra careful not to expose the yarn that is. Alright guys, now we are through with our style. It's a beginner style, guys. I hope you have learned something from me, and I promise to bring more content as time goes by. This is our final outlook. This is now the double barrel twist with the braided crown. Our client will be attending a function tomorrow, so I hope you'll be on top of the game, so we can go around as you have a look on the final outcome. And then we want to hear some few remarks from my client, because he is a fellow stylist and actually he does good work in his profession. This final outcome. You can have a look, guys. Wow, it's cool, guys. You can try it out, eh? Yeah, it's amazing. It's lovely. Guys, welcome again. I wanna take a few notes from my client. You wanna hear how my client is giving out his remarks as pertains to what we have done and what she has experienced. Remember, I've just told you she's a fellow stylist, and here we go.
I'm Stylist Terry. I also do hair like Martin. I would like to say thank you so much. I'm so happy today for the amazing work you've done on me. I really didn't expect it to come out the way it has come out. I really wanted to try a new style today. So thank you so much. People, I'm Stylist Terry. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm Stylist Terry, Terry with one R. I'm based at Valley Arcade. Welcome.